Hello my lovelies, Mrs. Naofi here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified for every future upload. Today's video I am showing you what I received in my January Bella box. So if you don't know, Bella box is a monthly subscription. I pay $19.95 a month and I receive the beauty box. It looks like this. You get about 5 products inside. So when you open the box you get a leaflet. This one says Happy New Year, which sounds pretty cool. And at the back it just has information about the products that are inside your box, and it just tells you a brief description about the product and where you can find it and the retail price. These are all the products that I received. First up we have the Palmolive Healthy and Smooth Shampoo and Conditioner. This is a good decent size to sample. It's 90 mils. I've already tried this a ton of times. I always use this. I also reach for the pink one which has coconut in it. This is aloe vera and fruit vitamins. I can already say this is a good shampoo and conditioner. It nourishes my hair. I have no problems for it. I'm not that much of a big spender when it comes to shampoo and conditioner. Like, it does the job. It washes all the dirt out. It leaves my hair still silky smooth. Nothing wrong with it. I have no problems whatsoever with Palmolive hair products. So on the back of this leaflet it says a 350 ml retail price is $4.99, available at Woolworths and selected pharmacies. I know these come in 850 ml bottles. I buy the big bottles because big family, you gotta buy bulk. And they usually go from pretty short, between $9 and $12. It says Palmolive Naturals Healthy and Smooth Nourishing Formula is enriched with aloe vera and vitamin extracts. Feel confident with its long-lasting and uplifting fragrance. Next up is the So Susan Cosmetics. This is a liquid matte long wear liquid lipstick. This is a full size. Wow. So this is 5 mils. The retail price is $14 US and it is available at sosusan.com. Pucker Up Beauties. This highly pigmented liquid lipstick gives brilliant moisture without the stickiness and long-lasting color without the flakiness. Formulated with super ingredients, this will keep your lips hydrated, smooth and supple. Wow. Oh, it's cruelty-free as well. So this is the shade Pumpkin. Actually, I like this type of shade. It reminds me of the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice liquid lipstick, which is my favorite at the moment. Actually, I've got it close by, let me grab it. They both look very similar, but the Too Faced is slightly deeper. Let's do a quick swatch. I can smell a scent coming off. It smells like a lolly that I haven't had since childhood. You can see how matte that is. That's a nice shade. Now this is the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice. The Too Faced is just slightly deeper. So next is the Mellow Lip Crayon. I got the shade HARPER. This looks like my type of color though. This is a full size. Every lipstick masterpiece needs a partner in crime. Prep, shape and define your lips with an instant release of rich, saturated color with this ultra smooth creamy lip pencil. Get ready for long-lasting pout perfection. This retails for $16 and you can find it at mellowcosmetics.com.au. I haven't tried any of Mellow Cosmetics products yet. Very excited. I've heard lots of good things about that brand. Okay, let's give it a quick swatch. Well, that kind of looks like a Well, MAC Well. I'm gonna wipe this lipstick that I have on my lips and I'm gonna apply that lip liner and use the So Susan. There. Now that we've got clean lips, I'm going to go in with the Mellow lip liner in HARPER. That actually applied very nicely. It's just smooth and creamy. Very pigmented. I love this lip liner already. Yeah, I can tell I'm going to be using it a lot. So now I'm going to take that liquid lipstick. It feels very powdery and drying on the lips. Next, I got the Blaq Express Charcoal Wipe. So this is a sample size. You get 5 in a pack. It is made from Skincare Heaven. This super soft wipe instantly removes dirt and makeup. Pre-soaked with a detoxifying charcoal infused formula, it is perfect for cleansing on the go. So for a 25 pack, it retails for $5.99 at Priceline. So let's put it to the test and wipe off my makeup. Oh, it's cruelty free as well. These are actually Blaq wipes. All right, let's go. Like, it feels like a dry cloth. I'm gonna leave the lipstick and my eyeshadow and all that on because I know our next product is a face mask. So majority of the base is removed. The wipe looks like that. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but can you see all the makeup on it? I do feel like a little tingling sensation happening around my nose. I don't know if that's from like the charcoal or something, but gross. Let's carry on. Say yes. Yes to tomatoes. Tomatoes, tomatoes, tomatoes. So this is a sample size. It's 10 mils. It's the most decadent detoxifying experience ever. This 90% natural ingredient mud mask draws out impurities with charcoal, treats and prevents acne breakouts. Yes. And conditions with a botanical blend of tomatoes, watermelon and pumpkin. Even dreamier. It's so rich and creamy, you'll feel as if you are at the spa. So this retails for $5.99 and it is available at Priceline. So let's get that spa experience at home. How do you even say that word? S word. How do you say it? Yeah, whatever. So yes to charcoal and LBM little black mask that detoxifies and rids skin of nasty impurities. I got lots of nasty impurities. Okay, at the back here it says purpose acne treatment. Uses for the treatment of acne. Can't really say that I have acne, but I do have a little bit of breakouts here and I always break around my nose. So yeah, let's just give it a go, see how it feels on my skin. My skin is still tingling around the nose though from that wipe. Don't know what's happening there. I'm gonna put that onto a brush. And oh, that smells so good. It's really thick. Oh, ooh, that is stinging my nose. For 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse off with water to reveal your clean complexion. Breakouts will be history in no time. Wow. Okay. So I will be back in 10 minutes. I haven't got that burning sensation around my nose anymore, so that is good. Must be doing its thing or something. Do you like that liquid lipstick? I just noticed this at the bottom of the box. It's not on the leaflet, so let's see what this is. Okay, so it's just telling me about moisturizing creams. And then you get a sample in the back. So this is Go To Zinc Credible. SPF 15, your face needs this. This is a sample of our game-changing daily moisturizer with treatment. That's my sample drawer. Okay, so I'm gonna go wash it off because it feels crusty as. So I'll be back. Okay, so I've already washed off my entire face. My nose is starting to like sting just a tad. But in my opinion, I wouldn't recommend the face mask. I don't know, it just wasn't nice on my skin, but it could be good for yours, but I'm just saying, didn't work out for me. As well as these Blaq Express charcoal wipes. I went in again with another wipe to remove the rest of the makeup on my face, and I had to use my trusty Garnier micellar water. And after I did use it again, I had that stinging sensation, so I don't know what's going on there. So that's the end of my video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And until next time, bye guys.